This is Robin Dupree with BIC Magazine, and I'm sitting with Clint Stewart, Senior Vice President of Maviro. Thanks for joining us.
Thanks for coming.
Maviro was created as a common brand of three companies. Can you explain the history of these three companies and the reason behind the new brand?
Sure. So originally, way back, I guess you'd say, Maviro Systems was a parent company, and it owned a whole bunch of operating companies. It went through a transaction, and out of that part of the company that remained, we decided to make things easier for the customer and create a single brand, single point of contact, make things more efficient, so that one name, one company, one point of contact.
Okay, explain your tailored services and on-site expertise and how these services are beneficial to your clients.
Sure. So we've got four main specialty services. We've got the catalyst services, which is basically changing of catalysts in customer sites. Heating to coking services. The traditional industrial services, sort of a broad name to a whole bunch of different services, but we do offer that as well. So that would be high pressure solutions, vacuum trucks, that sort of side of things. Mm-hmm. And then the chemical cleaning solutions. Now, in each of those, we do have different technologies and tools in our toolbox to tackle different problems, but those are sort of if you were to look at four major buckets, those would be the four buckets that we deal with.
Okay. And describe your unique bundled services and how would the client benefit by choosing this service versus a one-off or a la carte?
Sure. So because we've decided to really focus on the specialized services, a lot of our employees are cross-trained in those specialized services. So they're able to and trained to do multiple things. Mm-hmm. So a lot of times right now customers are used to, okay, I need this done, I have to bring in a crew for this, get it done. Then the next step is this, I've got to bring in a different crew to do this. Mm-hmm. Then I've got to bring in another crew to do the final. We try to offer, it can be the same crew to do all of that and get rid of that, those time issues of changing out crews, bringing in some cases, a totally different company to do that next step, mm-hmm. And provide that full service right through from start to end. So an example of that would be in our catalyst business. We do the catalyst removal and loading, but while we're doing that, we can also do some of the inspection services so that the customer doesn't have to totally remove the catalyst from the vessel, free it up, stage it, bring in an inspection company, do an inspection, and then load it again. As we're removing the catalyst ends up being the staging. So as we're going down, we can do the inspections within the vessel at the same time. Mm-hmm. So that they save 2 or 3 steps out of the process doing it that way. And that's just an example.
Yeah, and they also save on costs too.
They do. Although even the big saving for them is that means they can get back up and running quicker, making the product that they make, and they get that revenue stream back quicker.
Well, thanks, Clint. I greatly appreciate you sitting down with BIC Magazine, and I hope that this was beneficial for you. If clients or our audience would like to know information, they should visit
Maviro.com.
And should they reach out to you specifically?
They can, although there is a portion of the website where they can put in whatever they're looking for, and we'll get back to them very quickly.
Okay, great. Thanks again.